Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to change the default search engine in Chrome, Firefox, or Opera, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through. First of all, for Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. On the list on the left hand side, select Search Engine. Use the drop down menu to change the default search engine. In case of Firefox, click on these three lines at the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Search tab on the list on the left hand side. From this option, you can change the default search engine. In case of Opera, you'll find the Settings option on the list on the left hand side here. Click on it. Then in the right pane, select Advanced. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down and you'll find this option for search engine. Corresponding to search engine used in the address bar, you can change it. Drop down menu. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.